High blood pressure, you want to love on your bis and tris. So there's so many different reasons, causes of high blood pressure. One of the first organ we think about is your heart, right? Your heart is typically in the center to the little left of your chest. So one thing you're going to do is you're going to get like a stick and you're going to draw the line across all the way to your arm, okay? Around your biceps and your triceps. That's what I mean by bis and tris. And you're going to love on them. You're going to love on that area, okay? You're gonna love on the inside. You wanna grab the inside all the way around your bis and tris, all the way around. This is gonna pump blood to your coronary arteries, which basically means it's gonna recirculate blood back to your heart to allow it to function better and start regulating your blood pressure a little better, right? So bis and tris, you can go up a little and just a down a little, but you wanna stay along that line. You wanna go the inside and you wanna go the outside also. Follow me.
My name is Cliff Hahn, and I live in Cedar Park. And I came to Yen Acupuncture because I had really high blood pressure. I had blood pressure that was into the 160s, over 80s, and because of his acupuncture treatment and the herbs that I took that were prescribed by Jimmy Yen, I have now my blood pressure down into the 120s, indeed sometimes into the 110s, and I feel absolutely wonderful thanks to him, thanks to Yen Acupuncture. It helped me because the acupuncture had taken blood from other parts of my body while I was doing acupuncture and introduced and brought more blood into my heart. And he was able to, through that treatment and the herbs, get my blood pressure down. Would I recommend Yen Acupuncture? I believe that he saved my life. I believe that if I had continued on the path that I was, ignoring my high blood pressure, that I probably would have had a stroke or a heart attack or something even worse. And thanks to Yen Acupuncture, I no longer worry about that.
We're gonna talk about food. Food, everybody loves food, right? I'm definitely a foodie. Love to eat. I was born in Taipei, Taiwan, and Taiwan is known for, very famous for their night markets. It's actually internationally known. They've been on the Food Channel so many times. And so that's one of the things I love about visiting Taiwan. But today, we're not gonna talk about the food trucks. We're not gonna talk about the night market. We're gonna talk about something that I've been doing. Something this company is actually one of our patients was taking this, and it was all organic, and it's a product. It's a gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and vegan. So I was like, this is perfect because that's what I do. And so one of the products this company is called Organifi. And so one of the products is called Gold, and it's basically a mixture of turmeric and reishi mushrooms, right? So you've got this anti-inflammatory and this super powerful antioxidant. It's got lemon balm, turkey tail, red reishi mushrooms. It's got, what else? Organic coconut milk powder, organic cinnamon powder, organic ginger extract powder. So lots of anti-inflammatories, lots of roots, mushrooms, and very good in antioxidants also. So I would say this is a very good formula or a supplement that you can use to decrease inflammation. They recommend doing it at nighttime, like as a nighttime body soothing herbal tea. And so I like it just, you could do it in your smoothie, okay? You could do it in your smoothie in the morning. They say you can add your rice milk, coconut milk, almond milk. But yes, so this is one of the new companies. Not new, I've been using it for about a month or so. But I love everything that's in it. It's organic. Again, I love it's gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. It's vegan. So no dairy in here, no cow dairy, no genetically modified foods, which is super important. Because I shared a few videos ago that the baby and infant formulas that we're feeding, that pediatricians are recommending babies today, these days, is actually genetically modified soybeans, genetically modified everything. There's cornstarch syrup, there's high fructose corn syrup. This is in baby formulas, okay? I mean, it's kind of ridiculous. And so that's why I love things that are organic, soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan. We need to be feeding our kids, nutritious stuff, not all the genetically modified stuff, right? No wonder we're getting diabetes. No wonder we're getting autoimmune disease, because we're feeding our babies chemicals. So if you want to give this a try, we do have some sample packets at the clinic, AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com. But we do have some sample packages. You want to try them out. They're pretty good. I'll introduce one by one all the stuff that I'm taking, because I'm using their protein shake and their greens, organic greens. And it's really good, tastes good. I mean, for me, it tastes really good. And so if you want a sample, just give us a call. Hook you up with some gold nuggets, right? Some gold right here. So if you want something that is organic, vegan-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, then definitely you want to check out Organifi. And we do carry this product in our clinic. We only carry, so the products, we carry supplements, we carry Chinese herbs, and the only supplements and herbs that we carry are always two things. Number one, pharmaceutical grade. Number two, third-party tested. So we guarantee that those are products that we provide our patients are safe. And in fact, they're all the products that I take personally. I would never have a patient take something that I don't take personally myself. So everything that we carry in my clinics is it's everything that I've taken before, and I give to my family. And so if I trust that to my family, definitely I feel safe to give it to my patients. All right. So if you want to give a try of the Organifi Gold, give us a call at AchieveIntegrativeHealth.com if you got any questions. But this is Foodie Friday. All right. It's the start of Foodie Friday.